Ernie Capello here with Window Fix. I'm going to take you on a tour of a project we did about 10 years ago in a pretty cool area in New York City a lot of people don't know about, called Jumel Terrace. It's a New York City and a national landmark located in Washington Heights. You can see here, Jumel Terrace Historic District. And there's a very unique block with cobblestone streets and very old architecture from the 1700s. Over here at Jumel Terrace in Washington Heights, Window Fix, we installed, well, first we prepared all the drawings and filings to get the permits to do the work here, to replace the windows here. They were all wood, Colby & Colby manufactured them with a K-Cron exterior finish. This project is actually 10 years old, and you can see in the images how crisp and clean, and it's really nice to come back for me and see a job that I did 10 years ago, and it's still in great shape, and the windows are still performing. You know, that says a lot. That's why I do what I do, the way I do it. We always make sure we do it the right way, the first time, so that these projects last, you know, the test of time. One of the main things that when installing landmark windows that's super important is that we match all the old historical details, especially the brick mold profile. So the shape of this profile replicates what was originally here. And this is something that Landmarks really focuses on. It's probably one of, if I had to pick one thing, the most important thing when trying to get an approval with Landmarks.